My Chinese mama.
Your lips came smaller.
Meron pang cobwebs, Halloween na Halloween ba? Pati yung kotse, naka-costume. Okay, go tita. Ano po advice niyo sa akin?
This is really serious.
Serious talk, serious advice.
This is like life is beautiful.
Happy Halloween. Apo.
Don't waste your time for being silly.
Wala nang
Thinking.
depression.
Remove it from your mind.
Ignore mga haters.
Yeah, ignore haters.
Oh, dali, say hi.
Hi.
Enjoy your life.
Life is short.
Love yourself. Isn't it? You go out at late at night. It's not much people around, you know. At least you're not carrying the box now.
When kaya ako, how long can I survive these hills? Sige lang. Sige.
Get lots of friends.
With my tita. Bonding with my tita. Oh,
You're like brother.
all my titas. And my brothers. Mga brothers ko. Yan o, mga brothers ko.
Just enjoy. Don't need to think about silly thinking.
A sausage.
Sausage.
Get some chips and you get mushy peas.
Mushy peas.
Or get
Pengi. Pengi daw, pengi. Sige, you tell
I
your
got
story.
snatched
You got snatched.
in,
At least you didn't get kidnapped, di ba?
No, I got my phone snatched. And I ran after him and I twisted his leg.
You twisted his leg. Grabe si DeAndre ba? Thug. Young thug.
Think about what, I have to go for holiday.
Yes po.
With my, my Bradley, DeAndre, Rojan, Sophie. I will enjoy London. It's much more happier. But love you and enjoy your life.
Thank you po. That's my tita. Lahat ng mga titas ko, the best. Lahat sila nasa UK. So ngayon guys, yan na meron akong videographer.
Okay.
So si Baliw, naglalakad ngayon sa National Museum. So yeah, need ko talaga mag-work para maka-CBT, mapasayan. And then makakasama ko na mga titas ko at mga kapatid ko. Mga kapatid ko, Diyos ko, sige, Snapchat pa more. Sige. Sige.
Put your head on that little wood
Sample nga. Sample. Kung may makita tayo, sample ha.
ledge here about this big. You kneel down, you put your head on
Okay.
it, and
Wait, so you saw this?
they'll put your axe.
Yung axe. Okay, where's the axe? This one, right?
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
They'll chop your neck around here, and your head will fall off.
When did you stop doing that? Ikaw when? Pag 18 ka na with a girl?
18 with the girl, yeah.
And you die.
And you die. Tapos ang usapan. Period. You die. Special.
No, that's him and him.
You guys are so special that your baby pictures is in the museum. Goals. Yun ang bakit gusto ko geography over history kasi yung teacher namin sa geography is literally copy-paste siya ni Chris Evans. Holding hands is masculine, you know. So, if I were you guys, ay bahala kayo. Ngiti. Dali, kunyari may mga chicks lumakad dito. Dali. Grabe naman ako si Mangot. You'll stare at girls like that? Sige ka.
The underground is very confusing.
Yeah, just like my life. Confusing as hell. Bakerlings. Dito tayo magbe-bake sa Bakerly line. What are we baking? Cookies ba or something else? Mura lang as in like shit. Kasi sabi ko, ba't ba ako nagpapakahirap sa labas? Wala, pagod na talaga siya. Gusto niya na mag-Jollibee. Ito yung lugar ni Mama, Chinese. Iskanda lang talaga ako. Kanina palamig na lamig puwet ko. Ewan ko ba? Nakakaingit lang talaga dito. Normal life. Pwede ka mag-express ng sarili mo. Gawin kahit ano gusto mo. Ano mo yun? Meron kang free will. Yan na. Burger King. Burger. Yan na si Hippodrome Casino. Nanonood ako soon. Magic Mike. Sasayawan ako ng mga sexy. Wala. Saan kasi ako lumaki? Daming restrictions ba? Di naman sa ungrateful ako, pero ano, parang no wonder but maraming mga tao may depression and stuff kasi they just can't be themselves. At this point, parang iniikot ko na lang talaga yung buong area na to. Literally, ikot ako ng ikot para akong langaw. Feel like kung dito ako nakatira, siguro more than 10,000 steps talaga ako everyday. So, yan na siya. I'm so excited. I mean, sana maging liberated eventually or at least one day. Pero parang ang layo-layo pa ng panahon na yun.
But because you take really 2, 20, I'll give you 2.
Get ready muna si girl. Paano ba to set up? Okay, yan. Okay, ignore the kalat, all the kalat. Kasi ganyan talaga. If you're a baddie, yan talaga life. Okay. Marami kang makeup, marami kang wig, marami kang personality. Yan talaga. Tinatry ko kasi mag multitask, which is not my best suit. Pero, let's see. Pwede ko magawa. Since yung mga pupuntahan ko na to, hindi nagawa nitong past 2 days na maayos. As in, I don't care. Like, rain or shine, lalabas talaga ako. Ayusin mga gamit na kailangan ko dalhin for later. And later, kailangan ko makipag-away sa Hippodrome. Yep, kailangan ko talaga makipag-away. Magka-full-on Karen mode ako. Kasi, merong hinayupak na nagbenta sa akin ng vape na si Boy expired pala ang benta sa akin. But I don't blame him. Siguro, mesmerized lang talaga siya sa ganda ko that night na hypnotize ko siya. Hindi nga lamang na-check yung expiry date. But then again, business is business. Maganda ko hindi. Nakabenta siya, di ba? Nascam pa rin si Loka. So, at this time, hindi ako mag-heels, promise. Bahaya na ako lang tiis ganta for today. Karen mood ako later. Yun ako maawayin. Need ko first of all, reklamo sa isang shop sa Hippodrome. Yun nga, yung kinento ko kanina lang. Tapos mag-Kyoto Garden ako, then yung museum, then Sky Garden, Lake Street. Tapos mag-test ko ako and stuff. Then yeah. Hi, Reggie! Hi, Ronnie! Hi! Hi! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Hi! Morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning, baby! Cute, cute, cute! Masaya sila. Yan sila, oh. So, ang sabi ko nga alis ng mga 10 or 12, naging na, what time na ngayon? Naging 2. So, yeah, it's tough out here having ADHD. Mga doktor ko sinasabi, I don't need the meds, but I think I do. Umuulan ulit. Pero it's cool kasi rain or shine, nalakad pa rin ako. Literally, dadaling ko na lang yung shine. Ako na bahala sa shine. Out and about na naman si Baliw. Siguro train ko yan, na-miss ko na. I don't know. Lagi ko na lang nami-miss trains ko. At lagi na lang ako nawawala. Pero look at that. Oh, may friendship ako. Hi, friendship. Kayo na bahala magbasa. Wala ako time. Kailan kaya ako mayayaya dito? Museum date. Yung gusto ko. Museum date. Seashell. By this seashore. Yeah, it's recording. So
You have to be good with yourself.
yes.
Like,
Because what you're lacking, you're gonna look for it from someone
and
else.
they can't fill the void.
Exactly. There's a lot of them. What's with that movement nowadays?
Oh, you know what I love?
Yeah.
The male loneliness.
Male loners.
Loneliness epidemic. Like, oh, we're so lonely.
I like his carries himself and talks everything. Now I'm telling you, girl, like he's like the male version of me. Like nature.
But it's like a street version. I built an easel by myself.
Okay. How was it?
It was great. So it sits in my room, so I always have a canvas on. And my paint.
Anytime you wanna paint.
So I can just sit on my floor. That's what you're painting. You're so funny. That's so funny.
You'll have your own people talaga kahit sa akin. Kahit anong mangyari. Yung taong hindi para sa'yo, alis talaga.
That's so deep. I got that on record. Ano sila? Mental problems sila. Tapos di ba nangyayari sa ibang OFW? Instead na okay sila, okay, nagpapadala sila ng pera sa pamilya nila and stuff sa Pinas. Pero mangyayari, they get so drained, right? They look at other things for distraction. Parang mag-cheat na sa asawa nila. Mag-ano sila, mag-iwalay.
Ganap na ng outlet.
Diba? Naghanap ng ibang outlet. Kasi they don't have anything here. Like, ano sila, mag-shopping lang, mag-ano lang, mag-bilyar, hindi naman. It's so sad, actually. Work. Feeling ko yung nangyayari sa tito ko. Kasi honestly, may tito ako dito na best tito to, by the way. For me, in my world, he's the best tito. Like, I actually wish he was my ninong. Kasi, thing, mas the best siya kaya sa compared sa mga actual na ninong ko. Kasi yung thing about this tito, ano siya sa work ng dad ko, like colleagues sila, pero different departments. Tapos, the thing about him is, he's a really, truly hardworking guy. Like, I'm telling you, like, every time mayroong opportunity na pwede siya part-time and stuff, he gets it. Go get it. Alam mo yun? Tapos, I don't wanna expose him to something na bad. Kasi ako talaga, I appreciate. Parang, why is love so difficult? Parang, bakit ba yung mga couples? Bakit you like each other? Okay, kayo na. End of the story. Akala ko dati, nung kumataan, ganun na simple lang. Pero, shit, when you get to this age, parang mag-ano ka pala na, hindi pala ganun. Complicated pala talaga ng life, di ba? Ano mo rin yun? Ano mo rin yun, like, one time, naisip ko rin.
Binangga ko na yun. Sabi, bobo pala siya yung mga ganun. Kita mo sa bangga na siya yung may kasalanan.
Pinakita mo, tapos sabi, nakita nila, siya may kasalanan. Hindi. Simple. Ikaw nasa lugar niya. May tao naglalakad. Yung tao, ako autistic rin, katulad ko. Naglalakad lang pag ganun, straight forward, okay? Not even in your, wala nga dun sa pang-parking niya eh. I'm just walking there. Tapos, tinamaan mo ako, nag-reverse ka sa akin. So, who the fuck is at fault? Ako, na autistic ako, or siya na nagre-reverse lang basta na hindi tumitingin? Oh, yun lang, forget the car.
Always, tama yung sinabi ko pa.
What did I say?
Sabi sa akin, Kuya Carlo, pure man Kuya Carlo. Kasalanan lagi ng taong na-atras.
Oh,
Para maturo ko sa'yo yung...
sabihin lang sa akin ng papa ko, ganyan lang.
Tama naman, na nakaangat yung parang yung building ko yun. Pero yung advice ko nga sa'yo, Imbes na nakaganito ka, kasi malikot
Mas gusto ko yung gano'n.